is the sound, as in the words but, up, and one. It's a vowel sound, and its technical name is the open mid-back unrounded vowel. Remember that the key to pronunciation is physical, and the name tells us about how the sound is made physically. In this case, your tongue is low and between the middle and the back of your mouth. All vowels are made through the mouth and are voiced, so you need to vibrate your vocal cords to make the sound. To produce the sound, put your tongue low and in the middle and between the middle and the back of your mouth, then make a short voiced sound with your mouth open. Ah, ah, ah. The sound is often spelled with the letter O, as in the words some and company. But it's also often spelled with the letter U or OU, as in the words much and country. Like with all vowels in English, the spelling can be very inconsistent, and you'll always find alternative and unusual spellings of the vowel sounds. It's one of the most difficult things in English, but you just have to learn it. Here are some words that start with the sound. Other, under, until, and understand. Here are some words that have the sound in the middle. Another, come, such, and become. There are no words that end with the sound, but many words end with the similar sound So that's it for the sound. But we've made additional videos on each of the groups of sounds, vowels, diphthongs, single consonants and consonant pairs, as well as videos explaining the overall phonetic chart. You can also click on any of the symbols behind me to see a similar video to this with lots of examples and an explanation about how to pronounce that sound.